Today we will Indonesian top selebgram in social media in product endorsement.
This journal discusses analyzing the type of code mixing used by Indonesian top selebgram in social media in product endorsement. Analyzing the reason of code mixing used by Indonesian top celebrities on her caption in product endorsement. Analyzing the language used by the Indonesian top selebgram in product endorsement or her caption on Instagram.
The background of this research relates to the current technology.
One of the technologies is the use of social media. Currently, there are many kinds of social media, one of which is Instagram.
Instagram is currently widely used by celebgram for endorsement, and one of them is Awkarin.
This journal discussed the code switching and code mixing that Awkarin uses when conducting endorsement.
And the method used in this research is qualitative research.
Describe qualitative research based on Miles, Huberman, and Saldana 2014 research model. This to describe, explain, and elaborate a phenomenon that result in a long-term engagement with the subject of the study. The qualitative data was analyzed in the following three steps. And verification.
In this journal, we found several uses of the code switching and code mixing that were used by Awkarin when conducting endorsement.
One of them is in the sentence, "Wahai malam, kupanggil engkau bukan dengan rasa dendam, lepaskan segala syair yang meredam. Maka bawalah salam penawar sendu." Jeans Pants by @Yasmin Beauty. The emergence of code mixing was found within data above. It could be seen from the prasa jeans pen. This prasa was a noun prasa that indicated the use of code mixing. As mentioned by Moiskin, of type of code mixing was insertion. There is was used to be indicated by the insertion of phrases within two language in sentence. Therefore, the noun prasa, jeans pants, was classified into an insertion type of code mixing.
Then in the sentence, dari to bear, masih ingat nggak beberapa bulan lalu aku sempat coba egg treatment dan Hollywood Pill di @Air Beauty Care. Senang banget karena sampai hari ini kantung mataku benar-benar tetap cerah dan gak bermasalah lagi sama yang namanya komedo. Thank you @Air in Beauty Care. Based on the data, the insertion type of code mixing was found within the caption. Several words which mark the insertion of code mixing were and Hollywood Pill, which referred to one of the treatment provided. These words were indicated into insertion type of code mixing as in line with the theory of Muskin, which mentioned that insertion type of code mixing could be seen from certain lexical items or phrases which were entered into sentence.
Another finding is in sentence, loving my new smartwatch. Thank you @sasa_staff. Berkat smartwatch-nya, semua kerjaanku jadi lancar terkendali, walaupun kegiatanku mostly adalah bucin. By the way, smartwatch-nya bisa di-connect ke Android ataupun iOS loh. Once again, thank you so much at Sasha_staff. There was a word found which marked the emergence of code mixing, especially in the form of congruent lexicization. The word was deconnect, which came from the English word connect and got an Indonesian prefix D. This prefix addition to the word mark congruent lexicization type of code mixing since the word connect was affected by dialect influence.
From the result obtained, there are also reasons for using code switching and code mixing.
In the sentence, wahai malam, kupanggil engkau bukan dengan rasa dendam, lepaskan segala syair yang meredam, maka bawalah salam penawar sendu. Jeans Pants by Yasmin Beauty. From the above data, the phrase which indicated the emergence of code mixing used was the phrase Jeans Pants by Yasmin Beauty. This phrase was rather to be used to building up a birding image. It is used to describe the outfit she wore in the picture. The word jeans pant sounded more common later that it is Indonesia from that is celana panjang. Thus, in line with the theory proposed by Hoffman, code mixing was used to talk about a particular topic. In this case, was the outfit she wore.
And then in the sentence, keeping working from home comfy and simple with my favorite hoodie from @hoodietrending.id. You can also customize your own hoodie or jacket. Go check them out. According to the data above, it was clearly seen that the subject focused the description on the product she promoted, which was a hoodie which she got from an online shop. The subject mentioned some good points about the product. Therefore, it was found the reason for the code mixing used by the subject was to talk about a particular topic, which was a hoodie.
So the conclusion in the journal is that there is some kinds of mixed code use. Apart of that, these researchers also look at the mixing of code used by Indonesian top celebrities. Presenting the mixed code will show that quoting other people's statement is the reason for using mixed code. In addition, using mixed code also succeeds in attracting the attention of followers in promoting goods. Besides that, it could also be useful for English teacher and future research. Also can enrich the knowledge of structured grammar in everyday life. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce ourselves.
My name is Rahayu Ratu Arum.
My name is Nada Rizky Pratiwi.
My name is Nusa Violeta Gardini.
My name is Alsa Laksita Krisnadira. Today we will review two journals entitled are the use of code mixing and code switching in the learning process and an analysis of code mixing used by the Indonesian top celebgram in social media in product endorsement. What are you reading, guys?
I'm reading a journal about the use of code mixing and code switching in the learning process.
What is the content of the journal you read?
The journal discussed the meaning of code switching and code mixing. Code switching is a widely observed phenomenon in multilingual and multicultural communities, especially in foreign language teachings. Code switching is described as a skill of the bilingual speaker, referring to using more than one language or variety in conversations. And code mixing is the other phenomenon closely related to code switching. Code mixing takes place without a change of topic and can involve various levels of language such as phonology, morphology, and grammatical structure or lexical items.
What does the journal say about the codon switching?
Code switching is introduced in several aspects. Its function in bilingual community setting will briefly be explained by giving a sample authentic conversation, which will help the reader deduce idea about its possible application in educational context. Second, the functionality of code switching in teacher classroom discourse will be introduced with its aspect, topic switch, affective function, and repetitive function. 3. The focus will shift to student code switching by introducing some basic functional perspective as equivalence, floor holding, reiteration, and conflict control.
What are the types of code switching?
Code switching can occur between sentences, intersential, or within a single sentence, intrasential. There are four major types of switchings. The first is text switchings, in which text and voice in another. For example, the teachers, benar that's a good answer. Now we come to the sociolinguistic class. Bagus, good job Santi. Do not only read. The second is intrasential switchings, in which switch occur within a clause or sentence boundary. It can take the form such as code changing, code mixing, insertions, and congruent lexicalations. For example, menurutku, that's a good idea. Open your matric book and kerjakan page 10. Can you please tell the kalimat apa ini? I will give you a gift kalau kalian bisa jawab. The third is intersential switchings, in which a change of language occurs at sentence levels, where each clause or sentence is in one language or the other. For example, C. Have you done your homework, Owl? S. Sudah, Miss. C. May I see? S. Ini, Miss. D. Look at the picture and fill the blanks. S. Yang mana, Miss? D. On the page 30. The last is intra-word switching, in which a change occurs within a word boundary. For example, ujian hari ini open book, listeningnya pakai speaker, jurusan listen plan. Kamu sudah siap belum? Scoring sistem IAIN seperti itu, 50% final test, 30% mid test, and 20% daily performance.
Katru Idnas Jam 2004 defines code mixing as the term refers to the use of one or more language for consistent transfer of linguistic unit from one language into others. And by such a language mixture, developing a new restored or not so restored code of linguistic interaction. Katru Inasjam 2004 defines code mixing as the term refers to the use of one or more language for consistent transfer of linguistic unit from one language into other. And by such a language mixture, developing a new restrict or not so restrict code of linguistic interaction. So, for example, have you done your homework, Hasan? Yes, Miss. Saya sudah kerja my homework. Excuse me, Mom. Kemarin I was sick. From example above, the student used to pitch of English word to answer the teacher question. It is because the student does not know how to say English, but grammatically the sentence of student is also suitable for grammar in English.
So, what's the difference between code switching and code mixing?
The differences are in code switching, switch language even or variety of language by the bilingual because of certain reason and consciously, while code mixing, the use of the pieces of another language to another language that is need probably has the functions and it is not considered as wrong or deviations.
So what is the function of code switching and code mixing?
The function of the teacher code switching. Code switching is used by the teacher in order to build solidarity and intimate relation with the student. It is not always conscious process on the part of the teacher. First is the function of the student code switching. The student uses of the native equivalent of a certain lexical items in target language, or sometimes they don't know how to say in second language, so they could switch to his or her native tongue with the similarity quantity of language used. The student try to speak the second language, but probably the find and these difficulties, so they change the language into their mother tongue, even though they still talk about the same topic of conversation.
So, what are the conclusions from the journal you have read?
The conclusion is code switching is a term in linguistics referring to using more than one language or variety in conversations. Code mixing, as the term refers to the use of one or more language for consistent transfer of linguistic units from one language into another. And by such a language mixture, developing a new restricted or not so restricted code of linguistic interactions. Teacher makes code switching in the class to make meaning clear and to transfer the knowledge to the students in an efficient way. Yeah. Students experience interaction with the native speakers of the target language. Code switching may be a barrier which prevents mutual intelligibility.
Okay, thanks for
Thank
Nada
you.
and Ayu for explaining a lot.
You're welcome.